Welcome back, guys. Tex Gaming here, and today I'm bringing you guys hold on, a game called High School Simulator. Girl, did I say it? And it's like we have a Chinese lady, and I think I'm gonna start doing simulator games now. Kind of, I see other YouTubers like PewDiePie, all they're doing simulator games. So I decided why not do one for you guys. So yeah. Leave a like or subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Sorry for your stuff in my background. Let's start. Right, jump, grab, and release attack. Okay. The volume a little bit up. Okay, we're in school. Boom. Okay. Don't. Okay. Player operates the high school girls. A to jump, B to grab and release attack. Alright, we're in school. Let's go to school. What the hell? I was just flying. Oh, I'm a demon. Hello? Let's go see the naked ladies. It's a gym. So we are what we want to be. Oh, in there. Squat. Okay. Nothing interesting in here. Katana. How do you grab? Grab. Grab. Oh, yeah. Got a freaking katana. What is up, my boys? What you gonna do? Got a katana. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Got a katana. This game's kind of laggy. Huh? Yeah, this game is very, very laggy. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. I slaughtered. Hey, girl. Oh. Hey, girl. Where are you guys running? Where are the underwear? I want to kill people. Sit here. No, X. What the heck? This girl's freaking. She's not what I think she is. Oh my god. Oh, no. What? What? Oh. Oh my god. Let's try that again. Okay, let's go to school. Okay, so if I go to this side, we saw naked girls. Okay, not big of a deal. I'll probably edit it out. Make it blank. Actually, okay. Okay, let's get something. Go back home. I don't want to go back home. How the... This game's so laggy. Get me up. Oh my god. You can see him down. Okay, uh, uh, I'm just... Funny part of this game is I'm a demon. What the hell is she wearing? That's I'm done.